Hello, welcome back everyone. This is a sponsored video today brought to you by Xrsbeauty. I'm going to link all of their information down below. They sent me this box with a 5x5 closure unit, and inside you have a nice little holiday festive hat, as well as some lashes and a little arm slash like handband that you can apply during the Christmas season. They also have like an adjustable strap that you can add onto the wig, as well as a hair clip, which I thought was really cute because it's different, and then a wig cap as well as the wig. So they did send me a 20-inch loose wave 250 density wig. This is supposed to be a HD lace, but I believe it's transparent lace only because you guys know when you get HD lace, it's frayed on the ends, and this was cut perfectly even and it seemed a little bit thicker. But however, this lace will work on different skin types. You just have to make sure that you blend it with some makeup. So I do want to throw that out there. It does say HD lace, but in my professional opinion, I did not believe this is HD lace. So on the inside of the unit, you have the closure at the top, which is a 5x5, and this is a machine-made wig. You have the 3 adjustable straps on the sides and then adjustable strap in the middle. This is how it looked up close. You see it does blend with my skin, but it is a little bit ashy tone, which is why I believe it's transparent lace, and it does have some pre-cut baby hairs. So all I did was throw the lashes on that came in the packaging. I normally don't do this, but I wanted to give them a try. For me personally, they were a little bit too extra, but they were still cute. So I'm just going ahead and cutting the excess lace, and you guys see how the hairline looks straight out of the packaging. I was not feeling this, so I'm gonna go in and pluck it. I'm not going to be tinting my lace or bleaching the knots, only because I'm going to be applying some makeup. But at first glance, I was just like, this is doable. You just have to pluck it, and I wanted to pluck a lot of this just to give it a realistic hairline look, because nobody has hair that goes straight across or that's this full across the hairline. So that was like wig giveaway number 1, and I don't like when my units look wiggy. Because this unit is super full, I did opt to do like a natural part, like kind of swept to the side, and I did go in with one of my brushes just to tease it and give it a little bit more volume. And you'll see what I'm doing here. I did beat my face with the lashes just so you guys can get an idea of the lashes that they include in the packaging. They aren't terrible, but I just have maybe I just didn't do a dramatic enough look, but I just wasn't excuse me, I wasn't really feeling the lashes for this particular look. But I'm going to give them another shot. I'm going to do like a more dramatic look just to see how they flow. But I'm just going in and plucking this. You just want to make sure that you don't pluck too much. And I'm pulling out my baby hairs that I want on the side and the front. They did come with super long baby hairs, so you can cut and customize them to your liking preferably. But yeah, I just wanted this to look a little bit more realistic. And because I knew I was going to wear like a natural big hairstyle, I was only focused on the one side where the baby hair was at, just because I'm going to finesse this unit as best as possible. So continue watching. And if you guys want to know, you probably, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw me post the pictures of this like a week ago. This top is by Savage x Fenty, so shout out to you guys. I did pay for this top with my own money, but I decided to bring you guys some more cute, you know, sexy content, because as a mom, I feel like sometimes we get caught up in just trying to be in mom mode. It's okay to be like a sexy lady without showing too much. I'm married, you guys know that, so without doing the most, I just wanted to show you guys like it's still lit. So I'm just teasing this with a brush, and I did show you guys how much of hair I had to pluck out. I had to pluck out a lot of hair just because this unit is 250% density, which means it has a ton of hair. So I just went back in and started to blend that, and now I'm just playing around trying to see how I want to wear this unit. So here you see me just going in with a little bit of foam wrap. I technically use the Jane Carter wrap and roll or the Nairobi foam wrap. I will link everything down below as well as the information on this unit and my discount code. They did send me a 10% off discount code, so be sure to check the description box out for that info. So now I'm just kind of like pre-shaping my baby hair and cutting them. I am going to pre-mold them and wrap them down with a scarf, and then when I'm done, I'm going to go in and pluck them a little bit more and then just reposition them. So they might look a little janky in the beginning, but trust me, that's not the end result. I even do this for my clients. You just want to shape them to where they will lay, so that way when you are ready to style them, they look amazing and flawless and they lay how they want. So I'm just cutting off any excess baby hair. And this is the final look that I came up with. Super realistic how I'm going to wear it. I'm just going to finesse these edges with a spoolie, and that is pretty much that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you like this style unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to look in the description box for the info for XRS hair. And thank you guys so much for supporting me. 2020 is almost over, and I cannot wait to see what's in store. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.